Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to channelize my Indian beauty. And yes, this is one of my first Diwali looks that I have done for you guys. So this look is a very simple, easy look which anybody can create. Anybody who's an amateur, anybody with zero makeup skills can create. If you like this look and want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so I've already washed and toned my face, and I'm now taking kamaayurveda rose water and spritzing it all over my face so that it gives the boost of hydration that is so much required, and of course fanning it out. Now I'm taking plum serum and applying it over my face to give it yet another boost of hydration because I'm from a dry skin family, and just massaging it in. And then I'm using my kamaayurveda day cream and dotting it all over my face, and then again massaging it in. I normally try to give a couple of minutes before adding each layer so that everything is nicely seeped into my skin. And then I'm using my Vaseline and applying it all over my lips and on my hands because guys, skincare comes first. I'm prepping my hands, my lips, my face for the makeup. Now I'm using my porefessional pore primer and dotting it specifically on my T-zone where I have bigger pores, and just patting the product in and giving it a couple of seconds to just sink in. Then I'm taking my MAC Strobe Cream, and this time I'll be applying it all over my face, again focusing on the high points of my face, that is my cheekbones, my nose, between my brows, my cupid's bow, my chin, and just patting the product in so that it gives me that within glow, like I have reached on top of my pyramid. I'm having 20 glasses of water, whatever you want to call it. So it will definitely give me that sheen, that inner glow that is to die for, and I like it. So now I am kind of taking my Benefit Goof Proof pencil in the number 6 and just combing through my hair, eyebrows, and now I am outlining the upper end and the lower end of my eyebrows and then filling it in. Guys, this pencil is one of the best pencils I've ever used. It is an investment piece, I agree, but so totally worth it. And I know I look like a joker right now, but let this booty work its magic and then you'll see in a moment. Of course you will. So yeah, can you see how much difference does a couple of seconds make to your eyebrows? I like it again. So now I'm taking my PAC HD Liquid Foundation and just warming it up and applying all over my face in dotted motion. So as the weather is a little coldish right now, I would definitely recommend warming the foundation between your fingers, at the back of your hand, or anywhere you want, so that the application and the blending process is way smoother, believe me guys, and it goes on and gives you that flawless finish that is to honestly die for. You'll see in a moment. And of course, do not forget your neck. So now I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush and just buffing all the foundation out. Honestly, this brush is love. From the day I've purchased this, I cannot just keep it down. It is such a good brush. So anybody who wants to go for a good investment in brushes, well, yeah, this is the thing for you guys. Definitely check this one out. You can see for yourself what beautiful finish it gives me. Such an illuminating finish. I love it. And then I'm going over with my stippling brush on my face one more time just to make sure it's all natural. And then I'm taking my PAC Take Cover Concealer and drawing weird figurines on my face, but that's okay because I'm weird that ways. And this time I'm also outlining my eyebrows just to bring it forward a little and make sure that your eyebrows stand out and they show how beautiful and lush they are. And I'm also going to place my concealer just below the hollows of my cheek where I place my contour, just to kind of make my contour a little sharp. And now I'm taking my contour stick and contouring my usual areas, which is sides of my nose, hollows of my cheeks. And little hack that I had recently learned is just below your lower lip, so that it creates a shadow and makes your lip appear a little plumper. And of course my forehead and my jawline. And guys, the trick here is to blend the lighter color first and then go for your contour because you obviously don't want to miss anything. and then just blend till there are no harsh lines on your face or your hands fall out, whichever happens first. Yeah, I'm just kidding, but you definitely need to blend, like literally blend everything out so that your face appears like a smooth canvas where you can play with your colors. So guys, I've also created few other festive looks like for Raksha Bandhan and Teej, so I would be linking them somewhere in the due course of video, so don't forget to check that out because that can also be used in this festive season. If you want to use that, you can definitely check those videos out. And I'm still blending because, as I said, the blending is the key to a flawless base. And then I'm going to go over with my stippling brush one more time just to make sure that there is no excess product there and my face is all flawless and void of any harsh lines. So as you can see, I am kind of going over once again with my stippling brush, making sure everything is all seamlessly blended and there is no hot mess left. So now I'm taking my Wet n Wild Contouring Palette and taking the lightest shade and just placing the product on my under eyes and over my lids, basically everywhere that I've concealed, whether it is my smile lines, bridge of my nose, or just below the hollows of my cheeks, just to set the concealer. So guys, today I am not on for baking, so I would not leave my powders on my face. I would be dusting it off with a fluffy brush, making sure there is no powder whatsoever on the face because it will dry my face further, which is something that I don't want. And oopsie, I dropped something and did some damage. Anyways, let's just forget that, and moving forward, I'm bronzing up my face, warming up my face a little bit with the help of a fluffy brush. And honestly, why haven't I used this brush before? It just eases out my work a lot. Well, this brush works beautifully for me. So now I am using my Color Essence translucent powder and placing it just below my under eyes. And now I'm taking this beautiful flesh tone color from my Sephora palette and placing it all over my lid, especially way above on my crease. And then I'm taking the shade Neutral and placing it with a very light hand over my crease and blending it in the windshield wiper motion. As you can see, I'm holding the brush from behind, not using any kind of force. And now I am using my pencil brush and taking the shade Vogue and Neutral and placing it on the outer V of my eye, and then just blending it all out with the help of windshield wiper motion. And then if you see, I'm also placing the color on the innermost corner of my eye because I am honestly hoping that I can create a halo effect. Let's see how good it goes, but yeah, I'm trying something little new here. And now I am blending the innermost corner also with the windshield wiper motion and joining it just above my crease, as you can see right here, and blend till your hands fall out. So yeah, I am still blending. So now I'm taking that beautiful deep brown shade and placing it on the outer V just to deepen my crease and make it look a little more sultry and sexy. So, and I'm also placing the same shade on the inner corners, and then again I'm blending it all out because that's apparently what I do, what we should do. blend. And I'm also doing the same thing on my other eye because I like to do both of my eyes simultaneously. And then I'm taking the deep brown shade and dragging it down my lower lash line and also placing it on the upper end of my outer V just to deepen my crease a little further, and blending it all out so that there are no harsh lines left, because honestly that would not be a good sight. And then I'm taking the shade Mode and placing it on the highest points of my eyelids, which is just void of any colors. And then I'm doing the same thing which I did on my upper lid on my lower lash line. And this is the moment of truth. So can you see how beautifully this tape trick works when you want to create a specific shape to your eye? So yeah, that's a new hack for you guys. And now I'm taking my NYX setting spray and taking a quick little shower in it and letting all the excess product and powders melt in. Then I'm taking my plum kajal and lining my lower waterline, and then I'm taking my Lakme Absolute eyeliner and very close to my lashes I'm lining my upper lash line because I'll be applying falsies later. And yes, now I am prepping my lashes with the Maybelline Falsies mascara. And guys, time and again you guys have requested me to put falsies on camera, so that is what I'm doing here. So yes, I do put my falsies myself, nobody comes and do it for me. Just kidding you guys. So now I am taking my falsies mascara and coating my lower lash line, and then I'm taking my new highlighter from Makeup Revolution and highlighting the highest points of my face. And honestly, I'm digging this highlighter, honestly I am. And I'm taking my time highlighting my face because that's the best part for me. In my opinion, that's the best part of makeup. Well, I do enjoy the whole process, but this is my favorite part. And then I am also taking a pencil brush and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes because that makes all the difference, honestly, and highest point of my brows as well. And then I'm lining my lip and I'm overdrawing a wee bit today. Then I'm taking my PAC powder blush, and then I'm taking my ABH liquid lipstick American Doll. So guys, I totally forgot to record any intro for my video. So this is my final look. Firstly, I'm sorry for the video quality, but I do not have any professional lighting setup as of now, so please bear with me. So I have created a very simple look because honestly, no matter what people say, Diwali pe kaam bahut hota hai. So you honestly don't have that kind of time to sit and draw your cut crease and stuff like that. Well, I got that issue sorted. So yeah, this look is a very simple minimalistic look, but you know, can definitely amp up your look. So I've kept my eyes pretty simple, which will go with any kind of outfits, and my lips red because for me, when it comes to festival season, there is no subtlety. This is my first look for Diwali, so I am planning to do at least 2 to 3 looks, so you guys have an option and a choice which look do you want to go for. I hope you like this look, and if you like my video, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up and also hit the subscription button and the notification bell as well, so you guys don't miss out on any other uploads from my end. And guys, thanks for watching.